Alright, what's up, y'all? Anyways, I must have had some storage issues, which is okay. Anyways, but yeah, like I was saying, so apparently I'm going to shower. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'm going to shower, and then what the frick happened? I go into the shower to detangle my hair, and I'm just like, because something was like, let me just do it with the combs, see how it is. And then I check, and I'm like, this thing is rather hard to detangle. And then it turns out I'm feeling my. I said, I got locks. I got locks. I had a lot of locks. I had a lot of locks, bro. I had a lot of freaking locks. And I'm just like, yo, this ridiculous. So then I'm like, I'm literally having to fight. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm having to get the water just right. Still having to tangle. And even part of the comb broke too. I know it's probably some cone that had some wear and tear on it, but it was just like, because it was a wooden comb too, but it was just like, that's how thick my hair was. And I'm just like, dang, I must have left it in there. And I'm like, you know what? This is probably like my body's just like resetting and whatnot, getting healthy and whatnot. Because one thing I did do is I did moisturize my hair, you feel me? I did moisturize it. Gotta be moisturized, you feel me? Like I still put the coconut oil. Hello. Gotta put some more of this on there. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I say for another hairstyle, another day. Probably tomorrow or something. Or maybe like an ACV. Rinse apple cider vinegar rinse. Just because I see how my scalp is. It's very, it's rather tender. Just being that the fact that, because I wanted to have, because I know when I was doing this 10-day dry fast, that I was gonna be, I was gonna give myself a break, because I know I wasn't gonna have energy to do much at all, really, because my body was just healing. And I was correct. I was very well correct. There were times I was just in bed. That was the only thing I had to do. Like I was like, it was just a fight to get up. It was a fight to get up. It was a fight to get up. Really, just look at the clock. I'm actually kind of glad that let me see. I'm actually kind of glad that it didn't I was gonna say something about the time. But I'm actually glad that it didn't happen as far as like what time. But yeah, man, I feel more solider. Like I feel more solider. Like ever since I'm looking at myself, it's crazy. What the frick? I would have never thought I looked like this, yo. Holy cow! Like I can see the difference. It's like the difference of one, because it was a fast, and so then your body takes away what they call fats, and it's like, and then now it's replenishing itself, and it's just like your body looks great. That's what it's saying. Like that's just look. I feel stronger too. Like I told, this is amazing. This is honestly amazing. Wowzers. Oh my gosh. Let me say something. Say something. Let me stop. My voice is recovering now from not talking from like that. All like that. 10 days. So I'll be honest with you. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a post update on that. You guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. I could just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. We post on a regular there. Go ahead and check us out. You guys been keeping up with the actual live updates of the stories too. You guys have seen that. Appreciate the love and support. Let's continue to go. Let's continue to grow as well. Alright, so like, comment, subscribe. And get with the business courses and all the other stuff. And American Apparel. And one of a kind, I work at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Alright, peace, y'all.